What is going on, guys? Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to break down Sofi stock in this one, the charts, my thoughts, how the stock's been doing as of late, and we'll break down the indexes and maybe some other stocks later in the video. So feel free to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and you might as well get your 7 fractional shares of the Mag 7 stocks for Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit using that link down below or by going to stassurfs.com/Moomoo, or you guys can check out the QR code right here, get your stocks. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So check it out. It's about 1:30 p.m. right now on the East Coast, and funny enough, guys, Sofi stock is no joke, exactly at break even. It's at $7.56, and it's been all over the place throughout the day today. In the pre-market, we were at about, let's see, 745. We got up to about 765 at open. Then we got down to 743, and now we're rallying again back to the mid 750s here in the midst of an overall green day where we have SPY up. Let me show you this, guys, about 0.7%. Look at that, guys. Big move here on SPY. It looks like it's turning around on the 5-day, 5-minute pretty slowly. It's looking like it's getting there. And triple Q is up around 1.3%. It's about to take out the highs from yesterday, and it's also looking at a high it's almost at a high here on the 5-day, 5-minute. And we have the Dow Jones up barely, but it's up 28 points, up 0.1%, and the Russell's up 0.7%, which neither the Dow or the Russell are anywhere near reversing on the 5-day, 5-minute charts, but SPY and triple Q, they are. They're pretty much right there where they're breaking out again. So what do you guys think about that? Quick little side tangent on these indexes, but going back over to Sofi, let me show you what's been going on here over the last couple of days on this stock. So again, we're pretty much at break even right now at $7.56, and the key levels that I'm looking at in the very short term happen to be pretty much right where we are right now at $7.60. Let me draw this out and show you guys. That was actually support in the morning yesterday where we triple bottomed and then we broke out. You guys can see we triple bottomed at 760 yesterday morning. Then we broke out to 780. Then we downtrended for the rest of the day, which it is what it is, guys. But right now, obviously, we took out the lows from yesterday, earlier today, as we got to 743. And as of right now, we're trying to break past that point. You guys can see we're trying to retake this level, which is a big, big level for the bulls. And if Sofi could start pushing past 760, 770, back towards the $8 range, that would obviously be ideal for the bulls, but we're not getting that quite yet. Again, it's actually looking a little bit bearish here in the very short term as we took out the lows from yesterday, but the bulls are trying to put a fight up here, which is good news. So I'm going to set my alert in the short term at $7.60. Let me do that right now. Mark is at or above. Let me do that. Okay, boom, there we go. So if we do get out of there, guys, we could start moving in the short term towards 780, maybe towards $8. These are some pretty big windows here, on the upside. So keep your eyes on that in the short term here on Sofi. And on the 10-day chart, guys, this actually still looks pretty bullish, very bullish at that. I mean, look at this. We have a clear higher low being put in right here. You guys notice that? If I get the channel out, you guys will be able to see this, right? Very obvious. We're putting in a higher low. Now all we have to do is wait for the confirmation of that bounce over that 760, 775, $8 level that we've talked about time and time again. And honestly, guys, forget about $8 in the short term. I'm actually looking at Sofi here in this window before it gets to $8 per share. In this window right here between 760 to about $8 per share. I feel like this could be a nice window to maybe catch a trade, nice little move. That's a 5% window right here on SoFi. So keep your eyes on that on the 10-day, 30-minute chart. And on the 20-day chart, you guys can see we're looking pretty good. We're actually above the 180 SMA. We're actually sandwiched between these moving averages. But just like on the 10-day chart, you can see here on the 20-day chart, we're in this channel, guys. And all we have to do is wait for the confirmation. When will we get it? Will we get it? Time will tell. My alert is set at 760. I might as well do another one at 775. Create alert. Mark is at or above $7.75. There we go. So yeah, let's see if this plays out, guys. It still looks pretty good, even though we're in the red a bit right now. Now we're down 0.1%. Not really much of anything, to be honest, guys. We're not even down a penny. We're literally down half a penny as I'm making this video. But yeah, it's worth watching, guys. It looks like we are consolidating a bit here on this 1 hour chart above this 180 SMA. So let's wait for the confirmation. Again, I'm all alerted up. 760, 775, $8, $8.25, you name it. I have it on here in terms of my alerts on SoFi. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out, guys. And let me see now some other stocks here. What are we looking at today, guys? Looks like ARM Holdings is starting to bounce back a bit, up over 4% on the day. Looks like we are starting to reverse back over the moving averages here on the 1 hour chart, which is good for the bulls. And on the 4 hour chart on ARM Holdings, not quite there yet in terms of a breakout. But if I draw this channel out, let me show you this, guys. We're getting there. We are sure getting there, which if we do take out, let's say we take out 135, 140, ARM Holdings could be taken off in this window right here. Oops, I just botched that. Either way, you guys get the point. We could be setting up for a breakout on ARM Holdings. And it looks like here Apple's starting to make a move, actually a really big move. Holy smokes, 3% move for Apple here. What's going on? Did we get some catalyst or something? Let me actually read this here, guys. So it looks like Apple's gross margin likely being underestimated once again, yada, yada, yada. Apple to 210, that's an article. Let's see. Apple workers in New Jersey petition to unionize. All right. Apple issues urgent alert to users in 92 countries. Beware of sophisticated mercenary spyware attack. Oh, man. Yeah, be careful of that, by the way, guys. So I have to look deeper into that. But overall, guys, looks like here Apple to overhaul Mac line. Oh, there it is. That could be it. Yeah, Mac line with new processors, according to Bloomberg. So that's pretty cool. AI-focused M4 chips. So to be honest, that might be the one that I might have to upgrade on. Because I got the M1 chip. It's crazy how fast they're, making these updates, but it feels like just yesterday I got the M1, what's it called? The MacBook Pro that I'm using right now. I spent like $2,000 on it. And yeah, the new one's going to be pretty expensive probably, but side tangent on Apple's Macs and their MacBooks. Man, they're freaking nice these days. Have you guys gone to the Apple store? The new MacBook Air, it's almost like I could tell you for sure it might be bigger than the MacBook Pro that I'm filming this video on. The new MacBook Airs are pretty sick. I swear they're like 15 inches. They're not that expensive. They're like $1,200, whatever it may be, $1,000 to $1,500 in that ballpark for a pretty solid laptop, the MacBook Air. But for me, for what I use it for, I'm probably gonna get the new Pro that comes out whenever that is. I think they come out in the fall, right? When is that, guys? Either way, with the M4 chip, I'm probably gonna get into that, guys. We'll see how that goes. It might be a nice $2,500, $3,000, whatever it may be. But it's worth it. These laptops are great, and they last a while. And to be honest, I don't even need a new one yet. So I'm probably going to hold off even longer. But we'll see. I'm battling when it's time to upgrade. it's that time, guys. It might be getting close to that time. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get your 7 fractional shares of the Mag 7 stocks from Moo with at least a $100 deposit by using that link down below, checking out the QR code right here, or by going to stocksurfest.com/Moo. So get your stocks, guys, and you might as well check out my Patreon if you want to see me build out my $100 a week portfolio. See all the buys, all the moves, the performance, all that stuff is on Patreon down below, plus more. So check it out. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.